Bottom row is done. I'm just going to go ahead and put it first. Now you want to get a 0 here, so we're going to multiply by -5. So that's -5 times row 3 plus row 2. So -5 times 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. -5 times 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. -5 times 1 is -5 plus +5 is 0. You knew those already. And then -5 times 50 is -250 plus 375. This is going to be 125. And then to get a 0 here where the -2 is, I'm going to multiply by 2. So that's 2 times row 3 plus row 1. So 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is still 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 0 is still 0. 2 times 1 is 2 plus -2 is 0. And then 2 times 50 is 100. 100 plus -50 is 50. So that tells me, I got to write it out of room here, but x equals 50, y equals 125, and z is equal to 50. So what that told you is we have 50 pounds of, we have 50 jackets. We have, forgot what they were now, 50 jackets, 125 vests, and 50 comforters. And that answers our question going back to example 3. Okay, so that finishes my lesson. Important for things for you to know is make sure that you're keeping things in rows and columns. Keep them neat and accurate. If you don't, you're going to get messed up. As you work these problems, you're going to have a tendency, you're going to want to go this way and put the next matrix over to the side. You want to go down. Okay, that's going to help you keep organized. You'll be surprised. You'll get all messed up and forget what you're doing and everything. It's very important to keep organized. We always get a 1 and then 2 zeros. Circle your pivot. So once you get a 1 in that row, you're going to circle it. That becomes the pivot for that column. So the 1 here is the pivot for this one. Then I got 2 zeros. Then I got a 1 here for the second row, or for the second column. Okay, that's the pivot for that column. And then you got 2 zeros. And then we got a 1 for the third column. And that gave us 2 more zeros. And once you get this into, they call it reduced form or diagonal form, then you can read your answers. And that's what this method's all about. You have to practice this, otherwise you won't remember, you won't get it. I'm sorry, you just won't. It takes a lot of time and practice. I had to go through that, and everybody has to do the same thing. So that's it. We'll see you in the next lesson.